Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best head gasket tester is probably one of the most important tools you will ever own as a car owner, because it can save you thousands of dollars in potential engine repair costs by allowing you to quickly and easily diagnose a blown head gasket, preventing further damage to your vehicle's engine. This detailed review will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right head gasket tester for your needs, from understanding the different types of testers available to learning how to properly use them to get accurate results. Number 5. RELD Head Gasket Tester Kit. This innovative kit lets you easily check your car's head gasket. It's fast, convenient, and saves you money on mechanic visits. It's manufactured to the highest standards in the European Union. You can trust it to give you precise results. Testing is quick and easy. You'll get accurate results in minutes, saving you valuable time. Avoid costly mechanic visits by testing your head gasket yourself. It's a smart way to save money and time. It works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and more. The universal adapter fits a wide range of vehicles, 25 to 55 millimeters. This kit comes with enough testing components for 50 uses. That's plenty of tests for your vehicle. What we like. It boasts a wide range of compatibility, from cars to heavy machinery. This makes it incredibly versatile and saves you from buying multiple testers. If you need a quick and accurate test across various vehicles, this is the one for you. What people say. Product works as it should. It proved to me that North Star engines do leak exhaust into the cooling system. Even the ones not overheating. Easy to use. Just unscrew your cold caddy engine radiator cap. Put the plug in. Add the blue juice and fire it up. It will only take a few minutes and you will see the fluid start to bubble. If it changes color, she got a blown gasket or crack. I had a hard time telling if the oil leak was from a head gasket or the valve cover gasket. You use this product to test to see where it's coming from. It worked great, just follow the instructions. Worked as expected, best first indicator tester of leaking compression gases. Of course, it's never a good result when it shows positive, but when you have a positive result, you know what has to be done. Number 4. Performance Tool W80594 Tester. It provides quick and accurate testing for fuel pump suction or pressure, carburetor settings, and valve performance. Get reliable results every time. This tool checks for sticking valves, valve timing issues, burnt valves, and more. It's a versatile solution for various engine problems. With a large, easy-to-read gauge and clear instructions, it simplifies the testing process. Even beginners can use it effectively. It works on cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. This tester is your go-to tool for various engine types. Built with tough materials, it's designed to withstand frequent use. It's a reliable tool you can depend on for years to come. Everything you need is included, ensuring you're ready to test right away. No need for additional parts or tools. What we like. This tester isn't just for head gaskets, it checks fuel pumps, carburetors, and more. Its simple design and clear instructions make testing a breeze. If you value versatility and ease of use in a durable package, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I was able to mount these right into my Harbor Freight compression tester and save $30 on buying a separate one just for small engines. Works great. The adapters are well made and fit my gauge and spark plug holes well. This vacuum gauge works exactly as expected and makes setting up my old carbureted truck a breeze. The large dial is easy to see and the numbers really pop off of the black background. Number 3. OEMTOOLS 27145 Leak Detector. This tool helps you pinpoint internal combustion leaks in a flash. It simplifies the process of finding those hard-to-detect problems. It's perfect for checking for blown head gaskets, cracked heads, or other issues causing leaks. Get accurate results quickly and easily. It provides clear, easy-to-understand results. You'll know instantly if you have a combustion leak, just watch for the color change. This heavy-duty tester is designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. It comes in a sturdy case for easy transport and storage. Testing takes only seconds. It quickly identifies leaks in your engine's head gasket and block, saving you valuable time. It helps you precisely identify the source of leaks to support efficient head gasket and block repair. This ensures a proper fix. What we like. Get results in seconds with its color-changing fluid indicator. The clear results eliminate guesswork. If you need a heavy-duty, professional-grade tester for fast and reliable results, this is it. What people say. An easy way to find out if exhaust gas is getting into your coolant from a blown head gasket, you also need the test fluid. Tested mine turned out fine, then went to the tailpipe, drew 3 pulls of air and the fluid went from blue to yellow. So it works like a charm, for what it was intended. Also came fast. This testing tool is well protected in a fine case. Simple step-by-step instructions makes it very easy to use. The clever rubber cone would fit most radiator openings and the aspirator bulb is conveniently included to make the whole operation quick and simple. Use this to confirm I had busted head gasket. I use the exhaust pipe method. Just run vehicle until it warms, then go to back of vehicle and where the exhaust comes out and use the pump. The liquid in mine turned yellow within seconds. Saved me a lot of money. Local mechanic was going to charge me almost 3x what I paid for this to do the same thing. Number 2. ABN Engine Leak Detector Kit. Is your engine losing compression? This kit helps you quickly pinpoint the problem, whether it's worn piston rings, leaky valves, or a blown head gasket. It's easy to use and saves you time and money. Get precise readings in PSI and bar, and see the exact percentage of cylinder leakage. The large, easy-to-read gauges give you clear results. Just connect it to your engine cylinder, and it will feed compressed air to check for leaks. The gauge will show you the leakage percentage, and you can listen for leaks to find the source. It comes with everything you need: hoses, adapters for different spark plugs, and connectors. The sturdy case makes storage and transport a breeze. This kit includes all the necessary components for a complete engine leak diagnosis. You get the hoses, adapters, gauges, and a handy carrying case for easy storage and transport. Quickly diagnose engine problems and avoid costly repairs. This kit helps you pinpoint the source of the leak, saving you time and money on unnecessary repairs. What we like. It features a dual gauge for PSI and leakage percentage, giving you a complete picture of your engine's health. The comprehensive kit and sturdy case make it perfect for professional or serious DIY mechanics. If you need a thorough diagnosis and convenient storage, this is your best bet. What people say. Requires 45 to 100 psi to use, others have incorrectly stated you cannot exceed 20 psi. The device easily screwed into my motorcycle's spark plug spot. Once I had my bike top dead center on the compression stroke, I calibrated the gauge and it worked perfectly. As an ex-automobile mechanic, I have great confidence that this tool will help me diagnose engines that exhibit cylinder leakage loss of power. Works just as good as a very expensive tester. It's not a tool I use constantly, but for the times I do need it, this gets the job done. Easy to use and fits almost every motor I work on. Number 1. OEMTOOLS 37145 Leak Detector. This innovative tool helps you pinpoint internal combustion leaks in a flash. It simplifies the process of diagnosing engine problems, saving you valuable time and effort. Watch the fluid change color. It turns from blue to yellow when it detects a combustion leak, giving you clear and immediate results. Built tough for professional use, it's a heavy-duty system designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in any workshop. It comes in a sturdy case for easy transport and storage. Get quick answers. It tests for blown head gaskets, cracked heads, and other issues in mere seconds, helping you diagnose problems rapidly. This tester precisely identifies leaks and blockages in your engine, providing crucial information for head gasket and block repairs. It helps ensure accurate and efficient repairs. It's the reliable solution for detecting combustion leaks. It provides the information you need to make informed repair decisions. What we like. It provides quick and easy-to-read results, saving you valuable time. The heavy-duty design ensures it can withstand frequent use. If you prioritize speed and durability in a professional-grade tester, this is the ideal choice. What people say. So warning code P0302, last number is for which cylinder, is for rough running of the second cylinder. At local parts store, recommends change spark plug and or ignition coil. I changed both, which did not solve the issue. I was also suddenly having overheating issues with loss of coolant. Checked internet, YouTube provided me with great education and potential cause of issues, leaky head gasket and or cracked head, where coolant is going into the cylinder, causing coolant to burn off and the cylinder to run rough. A video recommended using a tester to see if there are combustion gases in the coolant radiator overflow tank. I combined this product with Lyle 75630 test fluid. Delivery time was good. Did its job. I was looking at the block tester BT500, which provided the tester and fluid. But for the same price, I bought this tester and the Lyle fluid for the same price, and it included a case for the tester. The tool came just as described. Storage case is a plus to keep the bulb and cylinder together in a safe place. This tool functions properly with no issues. You can also use it with a small vacuum pump with an attachment, or fashion a vacuum line to attach to a vacuum port on the vehicle, since you'll probably have it running during the test anyways. Save the hand muscles for turning wrenches. Great and useful tool if used properly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.